we have updates to talk about. We got airdrop, and as you see from the title, we do have the MetaMask one that it is really interesting. So we decided we jump straight into the laptop. First thing first, Sonic Lab is going to come out with an airdrop very soon. Please do not click anything you find online as of right now. There is no official link. You will not find an official link on my videos. You should not find anything online. Do not click it. I will take you when the updates go live, so please be careful. Talking about the Tuesday market situation, I am going long on every platform that I can. Over here on ZoomX, there is an exclusive offer for you. So if you deposit up to you can deposit $100, you get $50 bonus. All the way up to 10,000, you get $5,000 bonus. So you get 50% of what you deposit. So make sure and do it right now. The link will be down below. I am going big. I'm going big long over here. I will go on a, let's go and put a $7,000 long over on Ethereum, as well as a Bitcoin long. As we see here, I am going to the Bitcoin USDT right here, and we are gonna go long on the, over here we're gonna go about 4.5k on Bitcoin, and we do have the 6k over on Ethereum. So this is my strategy, as well as ZoomX. I will do it over on Breakout. Here, as you see, I'm able to trade with $100,000. Why? Because here you can buy accounts, let's say 10,000, 25,000 for only $100, $250, 50,000 for 450, and a $100,000 account like the one I have, which, by the way, I got my money from the Eclipse airdrop to pay for it, $725, yet I'm able to trade with $100,000. So yeah, I do like Breakout a lot because I am really going hard with the trades here. The link will be down below. Use the code that you see on screen for a 2% discount. But yes, over here we're able to trade with way more money than what I do, even way more than the 6,000 I put here. So on Breakout, we are going to go on a, I will put 50 Ethereum buy. As we see right here, I am going super long on Ethereum for $37,000. We go in. Over on the Bitcoin one, I will go for 3 Bitcoin, as we see over here, and I will go long as well. For a $70,000 is too much, so let me go and put 1, simply because I don't have it. But as we see here, 1 over on Ethereum, and as we see here, I'm using the margins, and as we see here, you see how much it goes up and down, because we are trading with so much more money, and I'm only doing this 100,000 with only $725, or the one-step strategy for $1,000. So the link will be down below, and this is why I like it. As you see here, if I sell, I'm already on $50, $100 in profit in about 30 seconds. This is why I really like Breakout as a crypto prop firm. But those are my trades going on. We have the IKA has announced their tokenomics, allocating 6% of the initial airdrop. The pre-trading price is at 0.08 with a FDV of 800 million. So it does look like if you did participate on this, you are in for a treat. I did not participate in this, yet there is no claiming, once again, with the Sonic Club. For this one right here, please be careful. Do not click any links. Please be absolutely careful. There is one airdrop which we're gonna go and claim in this video, but this one are only tokenomics and open position and all of that. So please be careful. Talking about the MetaMask airdrop, we have these interesting things going on. So the weekly MetaMask missions are launching now. And as you go to your portfolio, here is the portfolio.metamask.io. I will leave the link down below. And basically it opens up the dashboard to your own wallet. As we see here, I got $340 in my wallet. And basically you see everything that you need. If you go over here to the promotion, you go and get this one right here. There is no referral link, no nothing. It is simply a thing that you do within your MetaMask wallet. And I mean, so you basically mint an NFT for 1 cent, 2 cents. And then you got this week mission number 1. Now, aside from this one being for entries for Linea, for AUSDC, swap, bridge, as you see here, basically you can go swap now and it's going to do everything within the wallet. Yes, these are missions that, as we go and see, they're not for MetaMask itself, but in my opinion, this is not only in my opinion, a lot of people's idea, this is the beginning of what a MetaMask airdrop will look like, because MetaMask has to bring the people from the millions of users that they have to shrink it down to real supporters, real users, people that know about the wallet and know about the MetaMask app and all of that. And I think this is why they're doing it. So I will leave the link down below. Make sure to do all of these missions. You got the Ondo missions on Ethereum, the Ethereum network missions, you got the Linea network missions, you got the AUSDC mission on Ethereum, and all of them you need to basically do $100 or 10 entries. So these are the token, and simply go here, swap now. Everything will happen over here from Linea to whatever. You click on confirm, and you are good to go. So everything is super safe. Everything is within the the actual platform itself, and you can go and swap everything. Just make sure that when you're swapping, you have the token. For example, if you're doing an Ethereum mission, right, this one, make sure that you have your funds on Ethereum. If you do have the Linea missions right here, make sure you have your funds on Linea, which you can simply swap once you go over here, or bridge as well directly from the MetaMask wallet app, as you see over here. So very, very important. Make sure to go and do it. Talking about the Coresky airdrop is now also live to be claimed, as we see here. Now it's a bad one. Still an airdrop if you are eligible for it. You can see here this page that I follow. They have spent $150 to get $16 worth of the airdrop. So let me know your allocation down in the comments below. And here you have it. You got the contribution detail in case you participated. You got the airdrop distribution in case you participate, which I did not. But if you have the possibility, make sure to go and do it. Make sure to go and check it, and let me know your allocation down below. One other airdrop that I saw now, this is on the BNB token. So it's a BNB chain, BEP20 over on MetaMask. The other one is the Kinza Finance over here. This is the Kinza Finance airdrop, which we are currently at the season 2, and this is a BNB airdrop. So this is a Binance ecosystem airdrop, and it could be useful for you. Why? If you do have any token, whether it is the BNB token, whether it is stablecoin, over on the Binance ecosystem, I would suggest you to go and use it. As we see here, they have the voice airdrop. The season 1 is already finished, and I ranked 1,500, as you see here, but you're still able to go and do the season 2. So if you want to go and participate, there is the ranking for the season 2 already, so make sure to go and participate, make sure to go and check it. And all you gotta do is simply a lending and borrowing platform. You lend token, you borrow token, you get points, and you are good to go. But let's go and quickly check how my trades are doing. And as you see here, within the moment that I've done the video, I am up. If I sell right now, I'm at $23 over on breakout. If I do here, I am up another $25 on breakout. So these are my trades. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. The accounts that we are using here to go and trade, they are demo account, just, fully transparent, that you're aware. They are demo account, but you can trade as well as I am doing with the amount of money that I'm doing. But with that said, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.